If you want to learn how to create breathtaking artwork that transports audiences into a cinematic world, I'll be sharing all my secrets to creating 3D narrative scene designs. Hi there, I'm Louis Liu, but you might know me better as LouLL. I will show you how to leverage software effectively so you can optimize your workflow and channel your energy into creativity through tools like Daz Studio for character models and Blender for scene construction and texture manipulation. I'm going to break down how to inject your characters with personality by adding distinctive flaws and features, elevating your scenes through lighting and composition. Then we're going to infuse your characters with creative expressions by carefully constructing their movement and setting up the scene and the props within it. I'll not only be imparting the technical skills I've learned, but also delve into the narratives behind characters, poses, and scene construction. I'm LouLL, a 3D CG artist, and I'll be waiting for you at Colossal.